Hey Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool update right here, and basically what this is a smart track card. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from a brand called eufy or eufy Security. So this product is one of the newest product, which is actually really cool. Basically what it is like a tracker card that allows you guys to track almost anything. Very similar to like an AirTag option. And there are some difference and some benefit about using this versus the AirTag, as you can see in the back part right here. So basically work with Apple Find My Phone or Find My option. It has a QR code option for you guys to connect it onto your device. You guys can easily find your phone or device when you guys use the product, which is pretty cool. And it does have a built-in alarm for you guys to use if you guys need to use it. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they do have the QR code for you guys to scan it to download the app, which should be the eufy Security app. And then right here, you can see we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Underneath the card, you can see we do something else. If you guys do take it out, right here they do provide you guys a middle clip option for you to clip it onto your belt or something if you guys do need to. I believe for this part right here is a sticky option for you to stick it onto the product if you guys want to use it, but it's not required if you guys don't want to. But right here, you can see this is basically what the product looks like. So they do have the brand name on there. Here we do have the button for it to press, and then here we do have the alarm option. And when you guys look at it from the side, if you can see how thin the card is, it's basically as thin as a credit card or any kind of regular card like ID card, which is pretty awesome. And then right here is basically what the back part looks like. So underneath my hand right here, we do have a QR code for you guys to scan. And that is for anyone to scan it if they do find this lost device. And when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it feels super lightweight. And if you guys want to use the clip option, you basically want to stick it in the back part right here. It fits on there just right. But the way how to design the product is supposed to fit inside your wallet, which is pretty cool. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually connected onto the app to show you guys how it works. So like I mentioned, the app you guys want to download is called eufy Security, which I already have it ready. So I'm actually open it up. So if you guys go on the app, if you guys click right here, you guys want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And you can find the actual device right here. So what I'm going to do is connect it. And you see right here, show you guys how to connect it. So you basically want to press the button for 3 seconds on the card. Once you guys hear it, you guys want to press on next. And now found the device. So basically give you guys the option to rename it and select what you guys want to use. So for this test, I want to name it wallet. And I want to click on next. And now we got connected. So once you guys got connected, right here in the bottom, and see we do have the actual device. And once you guys do tap on it, it'll show you guys exactly where the actual product is. And you see right here on the corner, they do show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. So once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to tap it one time. And then once you guys tap on it, it will show you guys a map in terms of where the actual product is. So because it shows exactly where I'm at, I can't show you guys what the screen looks like. But you can see there is a find button for you to press right there. So if you guys do press on it one time, that is basically what the sound sounds like. So until you guys press on that button, it won't stop. So I do press on it. You can see how it does stop. So the alarm on here is definitely pretty loud. But you can see on the app right here, there's a lot of different options available for you. And there's also like the lost mode option, there's a find phone option, and you do have the option to share the device to someone else in your family if you guys want to. So basically what the find phone option is for is so that way you can use this card to find your phone. So not only can you guys use your phone to find the card or your device or whatever, but you do have the option to use the card to find your phone if it is lost. So I do press on this button 2 times. That is basically how you guys use the find phone option to find your phone if you guys want to. And also like I mentioned for the product, it allows you guys to use the Apple Find My option, which is right here. So if you guys press on the plus option, if you guys press on the add other items, it will start looking for the device. And it found the device because I pressed and hold the button already. So if you guys did not press and hold this button yet, you guys want to do that after you guys press on that button. But once you guys got connected, you guys want to press on the button and that will help you guys connect it. And you guys can track where the card is as well, not just on the eufy Security app. So once you guys get connected, this is basically what the product looks like on the Apple Find My option. So same thing if you guys use this option right here. You can see it does work. And it's actually very accurate to show you guys where exactly the product is, but it doesn't show you guys like the arrow or something when you guys use the AirTag. That's only one difference. Another difference about this product is the fact that when you guys use it, the battery that's on here is not rechargeable. So every time when the battery dies on here, then you guys cannot replace it. It's basically a one-time use. And they mentioned the battery that's on here when you guys use it, you guys can use it for around like 3 years. Obviously, depending on how often you guys use it. So for example, if you guys leave the sound on like this and leave it on forever, then the battery life on here will not last 3 years. But if you guys just use it here and there to track your device whenever you guys need it, or just leave it off, then it should last you guys around like 3 years when you guys do use it. And supposedly for the product, when you guys do use it, it should be water resistant. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality tracking device that can fit inside your wallet. They also give you guys everything I mentioned on here in terms of the Find My Phone option, the eufy security app, and if you guys don't mind the fact that how it's not rechargeable and the battery that's on here is not replaceable, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't wanted these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.